Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network to PocketBook InkPad 3 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to scroll down from top of the screen. Inside you should be able to find a Wi-Fi, click and hold it. You'll open the Wi-Fi settings, make sure that the Wi-Fi is on, and then you'll be able to see all of the networks available. Choose whichever network you will try to connect with, and in this case that's like this one. Now enter the password and hit the enter button. This should connect you with that network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.